Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, on this video we are going to be blending our nutmeg. Yes, so this is my nutmeg. So I love to blend my nutmeg myself sometimes, but not all the time. Especially if I get, I prefer to blend it myself, but sometimes when I don't get this one, I just buy the blended one. Yeah, because sometimes you don't know what they blend on it. When you blend it yourself, you are sure of what you are eating. So that is why I love to blend it myself most of the time. So I'm going to be using my powerful blender. So I unboxed this blender here on my channel some months ago. I uploaded this, I unboxed it here with you guys. And this blender has been so powerful. It's very powerful and very useful to my kitchen, especially those of me that is cooking. For if you know you are into cooking, so you can decide to get this blender for yourself. It's very useful in the kitchen. Yeah, just I use it all the time because of my cooking work. I use it all the time to blend ogbolo, igusi, anything that is dried is welcome. So this blender can blend anything that is dried. Yeah, so at this junction it's already blended, so we are going to be showing you guys how it looks. This is how it looks. It blended it into powder, guys. This is it. This is it. This is our nutmeg. This is our nutmeg. I love it because the reason why I love to blend it myself is that whenever I blend it myself, I love the scent. We hear the scent. But whenever I bought the store-bought, I don't scent. That nutmeg scent, I will not really get it. Yeah, I will not really get it. But when I blend it myself, I will get, that nutmeg, flavor and the scent. I will normally get it when I blend it myself. So that is the reason I love blending it myself all the time. So this one you see here is much. Then I'm going to put it on my, on my jar, then cover it. So whenever I need it, I will just, bring it out from there. So what I'm doing now is just to, scrape it around. Scrape it. Yeah, this is what I'm going to be turning in now. So I'm just going to put some there while I go ahead to blend the remaining one. Guys, if you have not gotten this machine free, especially if you're into, business. If you are not into business, you don't need it. You can just use the normal blender. But if you are into business, yeah, it's very good. So what I'm doing here now is just to scrape the other ones. Yeah, scrape it, then turn it into my jar. And yalla. Thank you guys so much if you have watched up to this extent. See you guys on my next